Hi, good morning.
Morning.
We are at the hotel eating breakfast at 6 a.m. to get to Disneyland. It's called Restaurant Fontana. It's a breakfast buffet. People lining up at 6 a.m. for the
It's early.
Fontana.
It's
Okay, let's see what they have. Yay! This is the omelette, Japanese style. It's very soft and tender. Wow. Hi, we at the Hotel Okra, Tokyo Bay at Disneyland. Breakfast restaurant buffet for at the Fontana. We got lots of stuff. They have omelette. French toast is very much here, and they have a bread that you can draw. Kids can draw with chocolate. Oishi? And they have a series of Japanese, Chinese, American breakfast. Okay, itadakimasu. Hinano drew this bread, melon pan. For latte, mama latte, we had a dog, has a heart mark. Eating a chocolate. Food is so yummy here. Rice is amazing. The salmon is good too. We just checked out from Hotel Okra Tokyo Bay. It's Disneyland morning, so we're gonna check into the Fantasy Spring Hotel to pick up the vacation package. It's across from the Hotel Okra Tokyo Bay. It's one of the closest to the Fantasy Springs Hotel. Back entrance at also the base station, Resort Line, Disneyland Resort Line train station. It's conveniently located. I definitely highly recommend. And that's a Resort Line.
Now the weather forecast, I would say it's cold. Not like America, but it's cold. But it's not too cold. It's like a regular coldness.
Yeah.
Kind of like a winter
Yeah.
temperature.
And over there you can see the Toy Story Hotel we stayed last year. And let's go to the Fantasy Spring to pick up the vacation package. If you staying at the vacation package, you need to go pick up the vacation package kit, which include the park entrance ticket. So make sure you go pick it up in the morning. So next to the Hotel Okra is the Disney Toy Story Hotel. This place is pretty fun for the kids. I totally highly recommend. And today we're gonna stay at the Fantasy Springs. So let's see. Last time we couldn't book it; it was fully booked.
I remember I walked here. It was
I know,
super
cold. It was colder last year.
Last year it was like a winter.
It was winter. We were wearing the down jacket with beanie and a glove and everything.
It was like a frost day.
Yeah. This is Toy Story Hotel. We're gonna cross over to the Fantasy Springs there. Ready, Hina-chan? Let's go. We are here at the Fantasy Springs. Hi, we just passed through the gate at the Disney Fantasy Springs. They told us to climb up on this road along on the sidewalk to pick up the vacation package kit.
I'm so excited to see what it looks like.
Yeah, let's go. Hi. We are at the Fantasy Spring. Walking. This is the Fantasy Spring entrance. We are here to pick up the vacation package.
This is the bus stop.
Yeah.
Here. Oh, they have a heater.
Heaters, they are heaters.
Oh, it's so
Wow. Go. Let's go to Fantasy Spring Hotel. Oh my god, this is so fancy. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my god. Woo.
Let's see if we can find anyone.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's go. It's warm. You can take off the jacket, but you need to be carrying the jacket. It's kind of cold. Wow, it's so fancy. Look at it, it's so pretty. I love these details. Okay. Hi, we're at the Joyful Spring Fantasy Springs little store here. Let's check what they have. Towel, hand towel, Mickey cookie. This is regular stuff. Regular snacks. Here, let's go check. It's gonna rain tomorrow, so it has umbrellas and poncho, more raincoat, and souvenirs. Oh, I have this one. I got this last time. And ice cream. Nice. Oh, they have sorbet drinks, the frozen one. We need to try this one. Yeah, let's try this tonight. And the regular rice, and a cup noodle, and a snack cup noodle. Oh, Mickey drink. キャラクターボトルかわいいね。スペシャルプライスこれ。ミッキーミニー。ゼリードリンク、アップルみかんだって。アップルみかん。Oh, this one is good. I like that. And Starbucks drinks and some bread. Yeah, they have drinks. Okay, let's go to the Disneyland. So we just picked up the vacation package kit at the Disney Fantasy Springs. So we got the park ticket scanned. You need to scan the QR code to show on your app. Then we're gonna head to the resort line. We're gonna take a resort line to go to Disneyland today. This place is nice and fancy. You like it?
You can also find hidden Mickeys.
Yeah, find the hidden Mickeys. So here you can drop off the bell desk. You can drop off your luggage and suitcase if you check in early or checking out or late. And this is the lounge. We're gonna try to come to here late night. Not late night, but the night tonight to eat dinner in a cafe. It's pretty fancy. Let's go check really quick. Wow, this is grand, huh?
Like a ball.
Oh my god, so pretty. Let's take picture too. Oh my god, do you see it? I think that there's a hidden Mickey there. You find hidden Mickey? There's a hidden Mickey there. At the cloud. The clouds has a hidden Mickey, I heard. Okay. We're gonna take a resort line, the monorail, the Disneyland monorail from the base station. Going to the Disneyland first day. Tomorrow we'll be here at the Fantasy Springs entrance, hotel back entrances. Let's get on the resort line. It's called resort line monorail. It will connect to the Disneyland and the Maihama JR train stations. Yay! Let's go. To buy the tickets at the resort line, they don't take credit card, so make sure you bring a cash. This is resort line. Everybody got off at the Tokyo Disney Sea, so we got the front seat on the resort going to the Disneyland today. Yay! It's like this, so cute. Don't you love it? Okay, let's get it here.
Look how many people.
I know.
But we're not going there.
We're gonna go enter from the hotel back door. Hello, Hineno-san. Hi. So we are here early now, so we're gonna stop at the Maihama station to go to the shop because we don't wanna line up outside with everybody else. Hi, we're walking to the Disneyland. We're here early and we didn't want to line up, so we're kind of chilling. Hi, we're at the Bon Voyage gift shop. They open at 8, so we're just kind of waiting, but since we don't want to line up in a long line early enough to be in a crowd, so we're gonna go shop the gift first, and then we're gonna go to Disneyland.
It hasn't opened yet.
Yeah. Open this! Yay! Bon Voyage へようこそって、はい、行きましょう。Hi! We got the hat at the Bon Voyage store, and we got the Mickey Minnie ears and the sunglasses. Yay!
I don't know how long we have to wait. It doesn't seem like it has opened.
It's not open yet. Let's see.
It-
Long line packed. Let's go. Look at this line. Lots of people. So many people. Oh my god, so many people.
It's a lot of people.
I know.
Security check is over there.
Yeah, has a long line already. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.